Hi, in this video we will see what is main function in Tableau. So main function, it is a function in the Tableau which help us to find out the minimum value inside our expression. So we can see here we have different measures which is discount, profit, quantity, sales. So if you want to know the minimum value of minimum sales, for example, if you want to know the minimum sales of particular category or subcategory, so this function definitely is very helpful. So in order to use this function we have to create one calculation field. First, I set the title as a mean value, and then type n. So we can see here the Tableau will automatically recommend you this function, and also we can see here the syntax of this function. We have to use at least one expression, so we can use the measures that we have in our data. So also we can see on the right side there is written the definition of this function. So main returns the minimum of expression across all the records, or the minimum of two expressions for each record. So if you want to know the minimum, for example, if you want to know the minimum quantity or discount or profit, or let's say for example, if you want to know the minimum profit, select on profit, click on apply and OK. And take this measure that you have just created, mean value, and drop it onto text. So we can see here the minimum profit that we have get, which is minus 6600. So if you want to know the which category having this least number of profit, you can just take the category and drop it onto the row. So here you can see the technology category having the least number of profit. So if you want to know this specifically which subcategory having the least profit, so take the subcategory and drop it onto the row. So you can see here in the technologies category, so the machines subcategory having the least number of sales, sorry, profit, so which is minus 6600. So this is how we can find out the minimum value using this mean function. So and also we can see here this is a very pretty easy to use this function. We can easily find out the all the minimum value inside our data. So this is how we can use this function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.